Hello, it's Friday Sews. It's Friday Sews. What you gonna make? If you want to see what I've been working on this week, please stay tuned. All right, guys. I have not sewn anything this week, but I did want to bring you along to a, what do you call it? Oh my God. An alteration. Like who sews and forget the word alteration? Anyway. So one of the things that I decided to do was to go through my entire closet because I have clothes on top of clothes on top of clothes. I went from no clothes to now I have so many clothes because I've been thrifting and sewing. So for the most part, the things that I've sewn, I have been keeping. I don't think I've sewn anything that has went into the DIY pile. I do have a donate pile, and then I do have an upcycle pile. So far everything I've sewn for myself are keepers. But here's a instance where I have thrifted something and it doesn't quite fit like I want it to. So let me show you guys. So you can see the arms are tight, but I want to show you the full dress. I'll try to take some pictures of me in the dress now before, but I have to do something about these arms. I do not like my arms restricted. They're already one of the things that I'm self-conscious about. And on top of that, it being restricted, I feel like he's just showing this is just a big arm there and it's a little tight. One thing I'm feeling is I feel like the arm hole is going to be okay. I just need to maybe widen this, so maybe we'll make it into a short sleeve. But come on with me while I do this alteration. Let's see if I can improve this dress and we can keep this in my closet. So I've taken the dress off. And now I'm going to remove the sleeve. And the armhole I feel like is good, but once I remove the sleeves, I'm going to try the dress back on without the sleeves. The sleeve just to make sure that everything is cohesive. So let's take the sleeves off right now. Excuse me guys, my room is a mess, but I wanted to show you the armhole is fine. So what I need is a bigger circumference for the sleeve. Now, what I'm going to do is I cut the arm out of the, and this is alterations my way, so I'm kind of learning as I go. So what I'm going to do is, and I didn't use a seam ripper because there's not even that much left. So, I mean, this is maybe a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. So I just cut it off. So I'm going to take this off and try to recreate. And let's see if maybe I can. I've seen other people do this. They'll cut up the middle of their pattern to spread it. So maybe I can do that with the fabric. So let me see if I succeed, if I fail. Well, we're gonna do it either way. So let me lay this down and then I'll show you guys what I'm doing. now what I am doing, I was trying to find a matching thread, and I don't have enough pieces. I don't have enough one piece to have one long piece, so I have them to piece it together. So we're going to see what this looks like. So now I'm going to sew my pieces together, and then I'm going to sew them in the arm of the sleeves. And then we'll see what I'm working with. So to keep it from, I guess, bird nesting in my sewing machine, I put a piece of paper under the bottom to sew it together. And I'm just going to take it off like this. And that helped keep it from bird nesting in my, sometimes the material get caught in your sewing machine. So that's just going to help me out with that. And I actually have one piece, and the stitching doesn't look so bad. So after I sew these together, I'm going to cut them according to my pattern. And then, this is not my pattern. Oh, my pattern is up there. And then I'm going to insert them into my sleeve. So hopefully that doesn't look so bad going across my sleeve. We'll see. Let's do the other one. Oh, I didn't even change it, guys. This is white thread. Oh well. Okay. So I was like, why is my thread so light? It's because I didn't change it. But I think it's going to be okay. I didn't change it, and I'm not about to take that out because I'm already scrapping up pieces to make it look good. All right, so now let me cut these according to the pattern, and then I'll be back to insert them. So I have finished my sleeves, but I wanted to show you guys I made a mistake. But I'm not going to take it apart. I'm just going to cut it off. But look what I did. I don't know if you can see right here, but I sewed right there. So now I got to cut off the sleeve right here. And then I'm going to cut it off, and then I'm going to fold it under. You know what? I'm going to cut it off and serge it. And then fold it under and hem it. And it'll be done. And then I'll insert it back into the dress. And we'll see what I came up with. Okay, guys. So I have made the minor alteration of adding to the sleeve and shortening the sleeve. So you can see what it looks like on the side. Not too bad. This is my first ever, I think this is the first time I've done an alteration for myself. Yeah, not too bad, not too shabby. Now I got room in my arms. And if I wanna, this is one of those pieces that I probably could wear all year round, and I just would add a cardigan to it. But what I just like the style of this dress. It was giving me Marcy Tilton, I believe. If you collect her patterns, she has this funky asymmetrical thing going on. So that's what this dress was doing for me. I'm gonna take a walk back. I also noticed I feel like it's some grease stains on here. So the next part of this is probably going to be dyeing it black. If I don't know if I touched something or if I bought it like this. I remember looking at it because I paid the regular. I know for y'all be like, girl, you be tripping, but I paid the regular price at Goodwill. Y'all know I don't do that because I really did like the dress, and I liked the little heart thing up here. I thought it was really cute, but it is very comfortable. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And I will put up some pictures so you can see as well. But they so got but thank you so much for hanging out with me today and doing my first alterations. As always, you are so special to me. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch my video. I really appreciate it. Have a great week and happy sewing, guys. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.